Neurogenesis means making of new brain cells, right? Making of new brain cells is triggered by gamma aminobutyric acid, GABAergic neurons. So this is so important for neurogenesis. And obviously, when the neurogenesis is not going, the nerves are going down and dying, probably. That's why the depression. That's why the Alzheimer. That's why Alzheimer is nothing but progressive degeneration of neuron. Okay. Similarly, here also now progressive degeneration, Alzheimer disease always initially starts with depression only. It starts there. The depressed. Some people are depressed, and I said, "Oh yeah, oh it is a weather blues and this." No, 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 no. It is real thing. The depression is starting. It is a signal for neurodegenerative disorders to happen because the GABA levels are lower here, and the GABA levels are lower. No neurons are formed. No connections are formed, and eventually what happens is the brain will start to shrivel, and that's it, end of it. So that's what it is.